Hi, Anna. Today I was thinking a lot about the English language.
Oh, really, Ben? What made you think about that?
I just realized how much we use English in so many parts of our lives nowadays.
That's true. English has become a global language in education, business, and even entertainment.
Exactly. I'd love to ask you some questions about why English is so important today. Why is English called a global language?
Because it's spoken and understood by people in many countries around the world.
How many people speak English today?
Over 1.5 billion people can speak or understand English globally.
Is English important in education?
Very important. Many textbooks, lectures, and research papers are written in English.
Do universities require English skills?
Yes, especially for international students, many programs are in English.
What about jobs?
Employers often prefer candidates who can speak English, especially in international companies.
Is English used in business communication?
Yes, it's the most common language for international business and trade.
Can speaking English improve your career?
Absolutely. It opens more opportunities and promotions in many fields.
What fields require English?
Technology, science, tourism, aviation, medicine, and many more.
Is English useful in travel?
Yes, it's the most common language used at airports, hotels, and tourist sites.
Can English help in making friends internationally?
Definitely. You can connect with people from different cultures through English.
Do most websites use English?
Yes, the majority of content on the internet is in English.
What about movies and music?
Many popular films and songs are in English, and knowing the language helps understand them better.
Is English important in social media?
Yes, many posts, tweets, and captions are in English, even from non-native speakers.
How about email and online communication?
English is often the default language for emails and global messages.
Is English useful in science?
Very useful. Scientific papers are mostly published in English.
How about international conferences?
Most global conferences use English as the main language.
Can English help in reading global news?
Yes, international news outlets like BBC and CNN use English.
What if someone wants to study abroad?
They'll need English for applications, interviews, and courses.
Is English the only important language?
No, but it's the most widely used second language.
Why do companies use English in meetings?
Because employees and partners from different countries can understand each other.
What's the role of English in technology?
Most software, coding documentation, and tech support are in English.
Can speaking English make you smarter?
It can improve cognitive skills and multitasking when you learn it as a second language.
Is English easy to learn?
It can be challenging, but it's very accessible with many resources available.
Can English help people express themselves better?
Yes, it provides many ways to describe thoughts, ideas, and emotions.
Can English be fun to learn?
Yes, watching movies, playing games, and talking to people makes it enjoyable.
Is English always formal?
Not at all. It has both formal and casual ways of speaking.
Do kids learn English early nowadays?
Yes, many schools start teaching English in primary or even preschool.
Why do parents want their children to learn English?
To give them better chances in the future, education, travel, and jobs.
Is English important in Cambodia?
Yes, especially in tourism, education, and working with foreigners.
Are there English centers in Cambodia?
Many. They help students and adults improve their language skills.
What about English on TV?
Many channels show English programs, movies, or use English subtitles.
Can English help in reading labels or signs?
Yes, especially in shopping malls, airports, or international products.
What's the role of English in tourism?
Tour guides, signs, and information are usually in English for foreign visitors.
Can English help people start businesses?
Yes, especially if they want to sell products online or work with overseas clients.
Is English helpful for YouTubers or bloggers?
Absolutely. English content reaches a larger audience.
What if someone wants to work abroad?
English is often required for jobs in other countries.
Can English help in volunteering?
Yes, many international organizations use English as their main language.
Do airlines use English?
Yes, pilots and air traffic controllers use English for communication.
Can doctors benefit from English?
Yes, for reading research, attending seminars, or working with international patients.
Are medical books written in English?
Many of the latest ones are.
Is English useful in law?
Yes, especially in international law or working with global companies.
Can English help in diplomacy?
Definitely. It's the main language for many international negotiations.
Is English taught in public schools?
In many countries, including Cambodia, it's part of the school curriculum.
Can movies help improve English?
Yes, watching with subtitles helps with vocabulary and listening.
What about English podcasts?
They're great for improving listening skills and learning new phrases.
Can games help with English?
Many games use English instructions and dialogues, fun and educational.
Is grammar important in English?
Yes, it helps you speak and write correctly.
Is pronunciation important?
Very important, so people can understand you clearly.
Can English help in exams?
Yes, many international exams are in English, like TOEFL and IELTS.
Are those exams hard?
They require practice, but they're necessary for study or work abroad.
What about scholarships?
Many scholarships require English test scores.
Are there free ways to learn English?
Yes, websites, YouTube, apps, and libraries offer free resources.
Is reading books good for English?
Absolutely. It builds vocabulary and improves writing.
Should people write in English?
Yes, writing helps you practice grammar and sentence structure.
Can English help with confidence?
Yes, speaking a second language can make people feel more confident.
What's the best way to practice English?
Speak every day, listen often, read widely, and write regularly.
Should learners be afraid of mistakes?
No, mistakes are part of learning. Keep trying and you'll improve.
Can group learning help?
Yes, group practice encourages communication and teamwork.
Should learners use a dictionary?
Yes, it's helpful for learning meanings and pronunciation.
Is listening to native speakers helpful?
Very. It teaches natural pronunciation and expressions.
What are idioms in English?
They're expressions with special meanings, like break the ice.
Are idioms hard?
At first, yes, but with practice, they become easier.
Should learners focus on fluency or accuracy?
Both are important, but fluency builds confidence faster.
Is accent important?
Not really. Being clear is more important than having a perfect accent.
Can English bring people closer?
Yes, it connects people from different backgrounds.
Can it prevent misunderstandings?
If both speak English, it reduces confusion in communication.
Does English change over time?
Yes, new words and expressions keep appearing.
Should learners learn slang?
Some slang is useful, especially in casual conversation.
Is English important in writing resumes?
Yes, especially for international jobs.
What about cover letters?
Those are usually written in English when applying abroad.
Can English help in interviews?
Definitely. Many companies interview in English now.
Do government jobs require English?
In many countries, yes, especially in international departments.
Should everyone learn English?
It's not a must, but it gives many advantages.
Can English help us understand other cultures?
Yes, language opens the door to learning about other people.
Wow, Anna, that was really helpful.
I'm glad we talked about it, Ben. English really is a powerful tool.
It connects the world and gives people more opportunities.
Exactly, and the more we practice, the better we get.
Let's keep learning and improving every day. Thanks, Anna.